Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO X109 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, access tab menu and look for Autorotate icon. When you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that Autorotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well. Choose display section over here. Choose advanced and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen feature. If the switcher is gray, that means that Auto Rotation is off. You can always turn it back on by clicking on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!